What does it feel like to open up your shipment of natural solutions that are not only safe, but effective for you and a whole family? Well, you can learn more about that in today's LRP unboxing with Malee Part 2. Make sure to stay tuned until the very end and watch Parts 1 all the way through 3 and 4 for all the amazing product overviews. Now let's get up into it. Because you know how we do. Well, you know how I do, but you know what I'm saying.
Hi guys, I got my doTERRA essential oil LRP box in the mail. Super excited. This month is super exciting because there's free stuff. So we have a 200 point special. If you order 200, I'm dropping my box everywhere, then you get lots of free stuff. So let's see what I got for free and let's see what I ordered for myself this month. So my box is kind of small this month. I did have to order 200, so this is kind of small for $200. I think I ordered some more expensive oils for myself to get to that 200. So pop my bag so I could do that. Lots of fun. Okay, so let's see what I ordered and let's see what I got for free. Okay. Oh, this is one of the free ones. This is clementine. It's not an oil that doTERRA normally carries, so obviously that's a citrus. So I'm very excited to try that. That's a really cool citrus oil. Brings a different flavor than some of the other citruses that we offer. So I got that one. The other next oil I got is turmeric oil. So I got one of these in my convention kit. When I went to convention last month. It came in my kit, but it also is available for anyone to purchase, so I had to get myself another one because I do want to use this on a regular basis internally. So super excited, and I wanted to stock up. I'm dropping everything tonight. Okay, let's see what else I got. Oh, lemon. So lemon was actually the oil, free oil of the month. If you did 125, so I didn't even have to do 200 to get this oil. I go through a ton of lemon lately just because I'm just like cleaning everything. I want everything to smell lemony fresh, especially in my kitchen and in the bathrooms and in the laundry room. So I kind of am very generous with my lemon usage. So they're only $10 a bottle, but it's nice to get it for free. So I got a free lemon. Okay. So this one's free, this one's free, this one I bought. What else do I have? Oh, I have another lemon. So see, yeah, I do order lemon on a regular basis. So I bought one and I got one for free. Okay, I got a few more oils in here. These are some of the free ones though. Kumquat, that one is another one that doTERRA doesn't offer on a regular basis. It's hard to see in the light. But that one, ooh, I can't wait to smell that one. Okay, I can't wait to smell it. I'm going to open it right now and see what it smells like. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I love any citrus. So uplifting. Smells a lot like orange. Yeah, a lot like orange. Very similar. Very, very similar. But it's a little bit different. So, kumquat it is. Yum. Okay, so I got that one for free, the clementine and the kumquat. Let's see what else I got here. This looks like a roll-on. Oh yeah, so the magnolia oil roll-on touch. That one I got again in my convention kit, but I just love the smell of it. It smells like candy to me. It's a flower. It's very relaxing. It's great for the skin. But I have one open already. I'm not going to open this one, but I did want to get an extra because I don't want to be without when I use up that first one. So I ordered that for myself, my treat. And I got 2 more oils before we get on to a couple other things that I ordered this month. Oh, another turmeric oil. I say turmeric because turmeric. So yeah, I don't want to be without turmeric oil. Who should be up without turmeric when it's so good for you? It's so good internally. It's going to be good in soups, but I want to take that internally on a regular basis, making sure I don't run out of that. And I didn't know if they were going to limit the ordering on that one like they do the Copaiba to 1 per account per month. So I just ordered, I guess they didn't because I ordered 2, huh? Oh well. I want to make sure they didn't run out, because when they have new oils, sometimes they'll run out and then they won't have them for a few months. So I hurried and got one. Actually, I got 3. I got 3. All right, I don't remember doing that, but anyway, I did that. So, and then for my face, I got this Virage serum. This is really nice for the face. It's a little pricey. But it has a lot of expensive oils. It's really good for your skin, but it comes in like a jojoba oil base. So it's a little bit more moisture sealing and has more of an oil. So mostly at night I wear this. So it's really nice. I was out of this too and hadn't used it for a while. So I was happy to get this in. So that was for my splurge for my face. So that I did purchase and came with my 200 points that I ordered.